While building credit is different for everyone, it typically takes about 3 to 6 months of healthy practices to establish a solid baseline of credit. Building up to an even higher score just takes time. You may start seeing positive changes as early as a few months, but most importantly, remember that building and maintaining credit is a lifelong practice. Your credit score doesn't exactly start from zero. There are lots of factors that go into determining your credit health. Whether you're just getting started on your credit journey or you've been in the game for a while, building your credit takes a bit of strategy. It's not a one-and-done deal, so we at Credit Repair have put together what you need to know and some tips to keep your credit on track. If you are starting from square one, it can take closer to 6 months to see any significant changes in your credit health. That's because you likely don't have a significant enough credit history for lenders to go off of. You likely won't be able to get a card with lots of benefits or stellar terms, but using it responsibly, for example, paying the full amount on time, keeping your utilization low, and so on, will help you move up and move on to more sophisticated cards in no time. So, how can you build your credit? Let's start the journey. Step 1. Become an authorized user. Becoming an authorized user is a smart move if you're just starting to build credit, making it a wise choice for parents of teenagers or college students. Authorized users have permission to use the cardholder's account but aren't responsible for the bill. Step 2. Sign up for a secured credit card. A secured credit card requires a cash deposit as collateral. This is ideal for young and new credit users. Using a secured credit card responsibly for some time will help you establish a strong baseline of credit health and open the door to cards with higher limits and more benefits. Step 3. Pay down your debts. A no-brainer. Paying down your credit card debt is a good way to build up your credit. Putting more money into your bill payments decreases your credit utilization and positively contributes to your payment history. Step 4. Keep your credit utilization ratio low. Credit utilization is an important part of how your credit score is calculated. Keeping it low shows the bureaus that you're able to spend within your means and pay your bills on time. All of this contributes to a healthy score in the long term. Step 5. Regularly check your credit report. Your credit report is one of the best tools you have at your disposal to keep a finger on the pulse of your credit health. And finally, Step 6. Ask for a credit limit increase. No harm in asking, right? If you've been handling your credit like a pro for some time and only using 30% of your limit, it's worth asking for a credit limit increase. Lenders and banks will often give these automatically when they see users behaving responsibly, but sometimes you just have to ask. Increasing your limit can help lower your utilization ratio if you keep your spending the same, which in turn will help increase your score in due time. While all these tips can help you boost your credit if you're new to the game or you need help getting back on track, remember, there is no such thing as a quick solution to building credit. You may see results in a matter of months, but these practices for healthy credit usage are lifelong habits that will keep your credit score strong in the long run. If you ever feel stuck and don't know what steps to take to bump your score up, the CreditRepair.com team can assess your credit health and help you get back on track. CreditRepair.com